I'm Jimiksha Surti and I'm educator. I have a center named Young and Pro in PAL. So I have decided to take digital marketing training as I feel that is the need of the hour, and it's very important to spread anything with people. But some of the people, they were like, what is the need of it? Why we have to do it? It's not important. Why we have newspaper, many things are there. We can use that also to spread the as anything like. It's really important to let your things know to others. As I'm a teacher, so I'm always a learner. I'm lifelong learner, but still learning something new which is not a part of my teaching field. So I was little bit hesitate to do it. I'll be able to implement it or not. When I meet Forum Marfete, I felt like, oh no, I can do it. She gave me that confidence. And that's why I decided to do it. सीखने से ही सब कुछ आएगा, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको इनिशिएटिव तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. So that initiative I have taken and I have decided to learn it, and now I'm able to use it and I am implementing it very well. I was so happy because like now I have some work because I could spread myself online. I could reach to many people during lockdown, and I used to get comments and like messages from people around the world, from different countries and from different cities of India, and I used to get different admissions for my courses from different cities and different countries. In digital marketing, I have learned how to use Facebook and Instagram marketing, and I have learned how to use YouTube also. So all that I have set up my own page after opening my center, and then I found like I could reach to many people without having any inauguration function or anything, because it was pandemic time, so I couldn't do it only. But then I could reach many people. जब कोई चीज़ आप सीखते हो तो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. डिजिटल मीडिया इज़ लाइक फ्यूचर. यू हैव टू लर्न इट एंड इट विल डेफिनेटली बेनिफिट यू इन डिफरेंट वेज. जैसे मैंने अपना खुद का पेज जब क्रिएट किया एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड मेकिंग डिज़ाइंस लाइक ग्राफिक डिज़ाइंस ऑल्सो बाय माई ओन एंड स्टार्टेड पोस्टिंग इट, and I was like, okay, I can make this much good and people are liking it, and I'm getting message that okay, you are creating so nice and really it's impressive. And I used to get many comments on my post, and sometimes I'm getting reach 10,000 reach by, that is all organic reach, not paid reach also. So that time I feel very very proud of myself. Okay, I've learned it, that's why I'm getting it. Initially it was very difficult for me. I used to ask many times to Forum that okay, this is what I'm facing problem, how can I solve it, and she used to give me some tips also. But then slowly I get acquainted with it and I have started using by my own only. Like as I said, during pandemic also I used to get online classes inquiries, and I have done that. Like in pandemic many people are like, we don't have any work only, and I was very busy with all online classes just because of I was using digital media. It's because as I know all details about it, so if somebody is working for me, then also I can guide them, okay, you are doing here right or wrong, or if what they are delivering to me, it's exactly I'm getting results or not, that I can check. I'm not totally depending on someone that okay, they are doing and whatever results I'm getting, I have to bear it. I got lot of support from Forum Marfete, and that's why I felt like now it's very easy, because again and again I used to get many tips from her. Yes, learning digital marketing was the decision that has transformed my life.